Open the top cover. The print head carriage is blocked in the right position. To move it, look inside the printer. On the left side, you'll find a white gear. Ensure that the carriage is at the extreme right position. Rotate the gear counterclockwise. The print head carriage is now unlocked, and it's possible to move it, and remove the ink cartridges you need. Remember, don't let the print heads too much out of position. The risk is to damage the nozzles of the print heads. To relock the print head carriage, move it to the right, in the initial position. Rotate the gear clockwise. The print heads are now locked again.